Hello, sir. It's a pleasure to have you here with us.
Thank you.
So, I have few questions about LG.
Oh, please. Pleasure's mine.
So, firstly, LG has completed 22 years.
That's right.
And it's a household name.
Of course.
So, what are the major product ranges?
See, I think if you say it's a household name, it's a wonderful fate, and it all depends on the consumers of the country. Because we being a MNC, the foremost difference we have brought is that we have customized to the needs of India, the needs of Indians. So being a household name, obviously we are into the products which people consume in their houses, whether it is televisions, refrigerators, washing machines, air conditioners. And now as the new age consumption is happening, we have come up with a very phenomenal health and hygiene oriented products like air purifiers, stainless steel water purifiers, right? And very, very recently, to all of your surprise, you can't even imagine LG, because you have seen LG in your homes as a very electronics company. We have come up with a very hygienic, very health oriented ceiling fan as well. So it's a complete range of products at home what you can use in terms of your electronics needs.
And as you have given an overview about the latest range of products.
Yeah.
And as we know that technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data and IoT, etc. are an intrinsic part of every sector of the industry. So
Right.
How is LG deploying these technologies?
Exactly. See, the advent of this industrial revolution 4.0 is all about making the consumer's life convenient. The products have to aid the consumer. The technology cannot be hindrance. So all the aspects of artificial intelligence or IoT, as we say, in our products is all about adding convenience to consumers. For example, you use a washing machine at home. Okay, I understand that you are a working woman. Probably you have your time slot between managing your family, your house, and your profession in the office. How often it happens that you forget switching on or switching off your washing machine?
That happens quite a lot.
If we can help you with remotely controlling your washing machine from wherever you are, that's the IoT we do.
Alright.
So the entire gamut of technology evolution and innovation on AI and IoT in our products is all about adding convenience to our people to make their life easy and simple.
So apart from the technology deployments, as you mentioned, what are the other USPs of the, say, household product and as well as other ranges?
Exactly, yes. As I spoke about, see, as the consumption of electronic equipments in our daily life is increasing, there is a there's a stress on environment because of the hardly people think about energy conservation. It is our responsibility as a manufacturer to help people think about energy conservation via our products. If I give you a small example, Indians use air conditioners very, very conservatively. We say कि ठंडा करता है लेकिन बिजली बहुत खाता है, right? We are the ones who introduced to the world the inverter technology. What we mean by saying inverter, it is a technology which saves your energy or electricity consumption by 50%. So no more the worry of using the ACs because बिजली खाता है. Now the AC runs, gives you cooling and बिजली बचाता है. So that's our usage of technology for again being energy conservant, being health conscious, being hygienic.
So these are some of the initiatives, green
Absolutely,
initiatives,
yes.
if I may say.
Exactly, yes.
So
Exactly,
any
yes.
other aspects in which LG is working at present, because we are already in a cusp of challenging situation where there is water scarcity and then there is high pollution.
Superb.
In other areas.
Superb. You talked about water scarcity. Among the line of products what we manufacture, there are two kinds of products which involve water. One is the washing machine. Now in your washing machine, normally if you observe, there's a lot of water wastage. We have deployed this linear inverter technology into washing machine as well, which reduces your water wastage to a larger extent. So here is another attempt to save the water wastage. Similarly, if I talk about the water purifier, now most of the houses, what you have seen probably before we came up, the water purifiers are all purifying the water and storing the purified water into plastic containers. Now, plastic by no definition is a pure form of storage. We at LG has complete stainless steel water purifier. So that is one aspect of purity, number one. Number two, if you see that in the plastic containers, water purifiers, when the service guys come and clean it, they have to open the entire water purifier to clean it, to service it. Now, once again, you have exposed your precious water storage into the open environment. Come to the LG water purifiers, we do not open the water purifier. We have a digital sterilized kit. Without opening the water purifier, we can clean the entire water purifier for you. So that's our way of looking at technology and using it to the benefit of consumers, again in a healthy manner. That's the strategies.
And nowadays, our consumers or customers, they are very much exposed towards data and information. So, how does LG leverage this thing?
See, we are blessed to have such a huge customer base with us, and I think the culture this country has, even the household items are a cause of celebration, are a cause of festivities in the country. You celebrate your first TV in the house, you celebrate your first refrigerator in the house, right? So our 22 years have given us a huge amount of data about our customers, which is helping them to connect with us, which is helping us to connect with them generations after generations. So we are able to pass on the benefits of technology from one generation to another generation as absolutely a word of mouth, as absolutely a basis of trust and belief. So that's where the data is being used.
And the present government is a believer of public-private partnership.
Sure.
So is LG a part of any such PPP models and working in alignment with the government?
Yes, certainly yes. We are trying to bring in line to the government of India's need of improving the solar usage in the country. So we are very closely working with the government of India.
Okay.
And I will not be able to divulge the details right now because I am bound by the secrecy policy, right? But you will soon see that a very unique, a very long-lasting, and very energy efficient solar plants by LG in tandem in collaboration with Government of India.
Okay. And if you could say something about the channel partners or the distribution models that is deployed by LG.
Of course, yes. I think we are blessed to have the biggest and the strongest and the most confident distribution partnership in the country. We work around with hundreds of distribution of all scales, and our presence is in all possible channels in which the country does the business, be it e-commerce, be it your modern trade, what you call as large format retail, or be it you call it as your next door multi-brand outlets. So tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 sub-dealers, the complete gamut of distribution and dealership we work with.
Okay. And what are the plans that are in pipeline for the upcoming months or say the year?
See, the plan always has been to serve the consumers with the best possible products with the latest cutting edge technology, keeping in mind consumer benefits via energy conservation, being health and hygiene oriented products. And that's what our forte has been, and that's what our forte will be.
And any message you have for our viewers?
I would like to say that thank you so much for the love and affection people of this country have been given to LG. We stand committed to our promise of best technology at the best service, and ultimately the best quality will always continue. Thank you for the support.
Thank you so much.